So, I just want to share some of the issues, problems na pwede mo ma-encounter kapag AR ka. Like, for example, syempre, pag AR ka, you need to be proactive, diba? Na kailangan mo talagang singilin yung invoice kapag past due na. So, ang issue dito is, like, I'm following up the invoice, like, it's more than 30 days already, and it's due on receipt, that their payment terms. So, due on receipt, meaning, pagka na-issue na yung invoice, expected na babayaran mo din yung invoice na yun. So, wala siyang term. So, once na-receive yung invoice, payment agad, bayad agad. So, ganun yung due on receipt. So, it happens that this customer is, I follow up since it's almost 1 month. And, like 2 weeks ago, he said that he's going to pay. And then he's processing the payment. So, I asked today, it's almost 2 weeks na nakalipas. So, I asked for the update. And then, yun nga, yung reply niya is, sabi niya, no offense, but would not, you know, if the invoice has been paid, why do we need to forward anything? Please go check on your end. So, ano lang, kaya nga di ba nag-follow up kasi open pa yung invoice, then pwede naman sabihin niya na bayad na, ito yung transaction receipt, payment receipt, diba? So ganitong mga instances is kailangan mo lang talagang mag-apologize ka for any inconvenience, and then explain mo sa kanya na for checking invoices unpaid pa, is still open pa. So if pa-provide siya ng payment receipt or proof of payment, so yun, i-reconcile natin doon sa nagpo-post ng payment or nag-receive ng payment, baka na-overlook lang niya, diba?